Hi, I'm Rob Lorenz at Arches National Park. Arches is known for its vibrant color, whimsical shapes, and vast desert landscape. In this jubilee of red rock and blue sky, the fiery furnace takes its place as one of the more unique attractions of the park. Its long parallel rows of alternating canyons and fins create a maze of rock that, when seen from above, makes it seem like the landscape's been scraped with a giant rake. Here at ground level, this wonderland of rock beckons visitors seeking shade, solitude, and adventure. Because the fiery furnace harbors rare plants and fragile soils in a confined area, the National Park Service limits the number of people that can enter it each day. In order to visit the fiery furnace, you must obtain a permit at the visitor center or join a ranger on a guided walk. However, a guided walk through the fiery furnace isn't for everyone. The tour route is roughly 2 miles long and takes about 3 hours to complete, so a moderate level of physical fitness is needed. Along the way, you'll encounter a few body-scraping passageways, exposure to steep drop-offs, lots of rock scrambling, and tricky sections that require using your hands, feet, and even your rear end to maneuver. While injuries are rare, some areas may make people with a fear of heights or narrow spaces uncomfortable. Due to the difficulty and length of the tour, children under 5 years of age are not permitted. Believe it or not, there are absolutely no water fountains, snack machines, or bathrooms in the fiery furnace, so you'll have to make do with whatever you can carry from the trailhead. Speaking of which, you should plan on bringing at least 1 quart or liter of water, a snack, some sun protection, and an extra layer of clothes. Scared yet? You shouldn't be. You'll forget all these minor inconveniences once you're winding your way through this improbable landscape of fins, spires, and hidden arches. Fiery furnace tours are offered daily from March through October, and tickets are usually purchased online. Now, these walks often fill up a couple months in advance, so it's best to plan early to reserve your spot. On behalf of the National Park Service, we hope you join us soon in the fiery furnace.